Today we will take a look at the ECX LC Uni-boot Polarity switching fiber cable. When small changes need to be made in an instant, no one has time for traditional fiber cabling. Wrapped within a single 2mm jacket, this cable will improve airflow and visibility in high-density environments. Available in single mode, multi-mode, OM3, and OM4 in different lengths and colors. Pull tabs make it easy and convenient. Simply flip down the red lever to unlock, pull the white tab, remove the white caps, and twist each LC connector to the outside 180 degrees, one at a time. Complete the polarity reversal by rotating the housing unit 180 degrees and click them back into place. Visit nconnects.com today to order your LC to LC duplex polarity switching fiber cables.